Hello guys, just got home from night dive guys. Madalang na yung spot. Buti na lang may ano guys. May grouper tayo. Good size na grouper. Sheesh. Sheesh. Guys. Sheesh. A good thing. Yan. Sheesh. Sheesh. Ang laki ng bibig guys.